I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
So I finally decided to upgrade my wife's helmet. So my wife's helmet is a G-Max. It's a pretty generic helmet. It's not anything super special, but it meets all the legal requirements to ride. Usually there's a lock mechanism on both sides. On this one, if you lift it up, you look right here. You've got a little lock right there. Kind of hard to see in the light. Basically what you do is you push in this little pin and you pull this down. Just kind of like that. So that exposes that, opens it up. And then pop your visor off. Do the same thing on this side. Push in this little pin. Kind of see that? Little pin pushed in. Put that down. Pops off. One thing I failed to mention, when you're getting a replacement visor, make sure that it fits your helmet. That should be pretty obvious, but not all helmets are universal and not all visors are universal. Look on the bottom of your helmet. Here you'll see the tag. Look at the tag. What you're looking for is usually a model number, and in this case, the model number for this particular helmet, right there, it's hard to read, but it says FF88 is what it says. Kind of hard to focus in on that. So make sure when you order through whoever that you get that particular brand or that model. All right, we went with the cool red iridium color. Check that out. That is pretty slick. So let's see what it looks like on the helmet. Same thing, like I said before. It's a little harder to see since it's not a clear mask or a clear shield. Line that bad boy up. Make sure these are down. Once you feel it pop inside, push that back up, okay? And you should be in. I'm not in. I didn't get it. There we go. We are in. Hopefully you can see that. I'm gonna lock it in place. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. There we go. See that? Nice and snug. Pull it down. Boom. That looks nice and sharp. I like that. Can you in the camera? That is sharp. I like that a lot. Ooh, look at that. Look at that from the distance. Yeah. She's gonna be one sexy biker babe, that's for sure.